X-STRUCTION. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put windshield wiper fluid in my father's 2009 Hyundai Sonata. So the windshield wiper fluid I'm using is Rain X Bug Remover, #1 rated brand in America. And there's also All Season and De-icer. Alright, here we go. So the first thing we're going to do, down here, a little hook in this car, 2009 Hyundai Sonata for the hood, and then here's for the trunk. Okay, so now if I lift the hood up a bit, you can see in there, there's going to be a little hook, like a little line sticking straight up, and you're going to pull it aside, and then you're going to lift your hood up. So this here is your little thing you're going to pull aside, so usually you just stick your finger here and you push it over, like that, and it opens the whole hood. So now, some vehicles have it on this side, some have it on this one. So right or left, front or back, here's our windshield wiper fluid container. So we're going to open up the Rain X. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. You're just going to fill it up until you see that it's full. Now you just close it. And then you're going to want to shut the hood nice and firm. Make sure that's back. There you go. And then you want to screw this on tightly, especially if you have children, because you don't want anything to happen to them. And then put it back so it's where it goes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you.